Hello investors, this is your property manager Ankush with Greystone Property Management. If you are an investor in Florida and you don't know what to do when a hurricane hits your property, this video is for you. 4 tips that will come handy. 1. Take a walkthrough video of the damage and have some photos for record as well. Tip number 2. Immediately get in touch with your insurance service provider and check what you should do and what you should not. Insurance companies might dismiss your claim if you did not act in good faith after the event. Tip number 3. Connect with a claims adjuster who can guide you on the entire process because it can be difficult to decode the jargons used by the insurance companies in their claim documents. So let the experts do their job. Tip number 4 and most important, stay calm and set realistic expectations. For more such videos, follow Greystone Investment Group on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Have a great day.